Hello. In this video I'm going to demonstrate creating a presentation view or an exploded view of the puzzle cube. So we'll start by creating a standard IPN, a standard presentation file. And then we'll create a view and I will find the assembled puzzle cube and place that in the document, leaving all of the default options. First thing, once you get the assembled cube into the document, is you want to make sure it is oriented in the way that you want it to be for your exploded view. So an isometric view is going to be the way we're going to approach this. We want a nice isometric view. If it comes in and it's not already in a nice isometric view, use the tools over here in the view control to get it into a nice isometric view. One useful tool is this bottom one, the look at, and that will allow you to square up on a specific side. And then you can use the tools, and then if once you square up, if it's not square in the view cube, you can right click and choose set current view as front, and that will allow it to square up. And then you can easily rearrange it using the view cube tools. I'm just going to get to a view that will match the way our documentation had it. And now we'll be right here. Now we'll be ready to start making the exploded view. So once the view is set, you can use this tweak components tool, and you have to select first the direction you want to pull the first piece. So we're going to we'll move the red piece first here. And I want to pull the red piece in this direction. So I'm going to click on an edge that's pointing in that direction. I want to move it in the Z-axis here. You can see the little Z is highlighted in blue here, as well as it's highlighted over here. If for some reason that wasn't the direction I wanted, I can just click on the other directions with a little arrow indicator. But the Z is the one I want. Then I want to select the component I want to move. Now it's not always the best idea to select right on the model, because you might accidentally select something underneath or behind it. So I'm going to expand the view in the browser here, and I'll find the red piece here. I'll click on that, and then I have to pull it out to where I want to expand it to. Again, don't click on the model when you pull out, because then you could accidentally select more other objects that you don't want. So just click on anywhere in the background and pull. I'll pull that red piece out. I'll pull it out till I have a little bit of space between that one and the rest of the model. Then I can go on to the next one, but first I have to clear my settings, so I'll press clear here, and then I'll choose the next piece, starting with the direction. So I'll take the orange one, I'll go this direction with the orange one, so I'm going to click on an edge that'll give me that direction. Choose the orange one in the browser, and pull it out. And I'll continue with the other pieces. Once you have the pieces exploded, if you want to change the distance that any of them got exploded, you can adjust the explosions or the tweaks that we've made by finding them in the browser here. And then if I want to adjust any of them, like this, let's say I want to make the purple one out a little bit further, I can just double click on it and change the value. And then I could change, say, perhaps the yellow one down further. And you can adjust them using what's in the browser here. Once you have them set the way you like it, go ahead and save that file. And we now have our finished exploded view.